How to change bio on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page. From this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the profile page, tap on the Edit Profile option. From here, go to Bio. Then edit the bio or add a new one. Once you are done typing the bio, tap on Save at the top right corner. Hit Backspace and get back to your profile page. Here you can see the new bio has been updated and everyone can see it. So by following these steps, you can easily change your bio on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.